Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be explaining to you what are central problems of an economy and what are the central problems of an economy. Every nation has is facing the problem of choice because resources are scarce or limited. So due to the scarcity of resources, the economy is facing the problem, and that problems are called as central problems of an economy. The problem which arises due to scarcity of resources. So what are the central problems of an economy? The first one, what to produce in what quantities. Each nation has to decide what to produce because resources are scarce, limited. The nation cannot produce each and every product that the people want. We want many products, but it is not possible for the nation to decide to produce all the commodities. So the nation has to decide what type of a product should be produced. Is it essential? Is it comforts, or is it luxuries? If the nation produce more of essential, then less will be available for the production of comforts and luxuries. If the nation produce more of luxuries, automatically less will be available in the production of essential and comforts. So the nation has to decide that what type of a product should be produced, and after deciding the type of a product, for each type what should be the quantities, because we cannot produce the goods in required quantity. We may need 1000 units, but with the available resources we cannot produce 1000, we can produce only 800. So means each type of product, first we have to decide the type of product, then we have to fix the quantity for each type of product that should be produced. If we allocate or distribute the resources for the production of necessaries, less will be available for the production of comforts and luxuries. If the nation allocate more resources on comforts, less will be for necessaries and luxuries. So that is a nation has to allocate the production of the resources such a way that is the economy should get maximum satisfaction. If the nation spend more on luxury hotels, automatically less will be available for the construction of houses. If nation spend more on the production of rice, automatically less amount or resources will be available for the production of other crops. So that at any cost the nation has to decide what to produce and in what quantity. Second one, how to produce. How to produce. This is a problem related to the technique of production or method of production. So there are two techniques of production. In order to produce the goods, we need labor and capital. Both the things are used to produce the goods. Without the worker, we cannot produce the goods. Without the tools or equipments, we cannot produce the goods. Machinery needed. So the factories or firms are using labor and capital to produce the goods. Some factories are using more labor and less capital. Some factories are using more capital and less labor. So there are two methods of production. First one, labor intensive techniques. So what by labor intensive technique? It is a method where more labor and less capital is used. Firms are using more labor and less capital. The method where more labor and less capital is used is called labor intensive technique. And the second one is capital intensive technique. What by capital intensive technique? It is a technique where more capital and less labor is used. You will find more machinery and less workers. So this method is called as capital intensive. So now, in order to avoid the confusion between the labor and capital intensive, that is the technique. So that is you have to remember in the technique which word is there. Labor intensive, labor word is there, it means more labor is used, automatically capital is less. And the capital intensive technique, that is which technique is capital, it means more capital and less labor is used. So firms are producing the goods by using this technique. So which technique should be used? In order to decide the technique, you have to see the cost of production and the output. The firm will use that particular method where the cost is less and output is maximum. By taking into consideration this aspect, the firm will decide the technique of production. For example, cottage industry, you will find labor intensive technique. Most of the work is done by the worker. And big factories, big companies, you will find more machines and less workers. It means the capital intensive technique is used. So that is any method that is you can use, but you have to see the cost of production should be less and output or the production should be more. Then the third one, for whom to produce. Goods are produced for what purpose? It is produced for consumption purpose. It means goods are distributed to the consumer. The production is done for consumption. So this is a problem related to the allocation of resources. It means the distribution of resources. So that goods are produced by using the factors of production. What are the factors of production that you have already studied? Land, labor, capital and enterprise or organization. So these factors are used in order to produce the goods and services. So the whatever the income that is received will be distributed among these factors of production in the form of rent, wages, interest and profit. So this problem is related to what? Distribution of income. Income of the nation is distributed among the factors of production in the form of rent, wages, interest and profit. So this is a problem related to what? It is related to the distribution of income. So how much that will be given to the landowner, how much income is received in the form of rent, how much is received in the form of wages, interest and profit. So that is for whom to produce. It is related to the problem of distribution of income. So how much the owner of the land can buy the goods depends on rent. How much worker can buy depends on his wages. Suppose he is earning more, he will buy more. If his wages are less, automatically he will buy less. How much the capitalist can buy, it depends on the interest. How much the entrepreneur or the businessman can buy depends on his profit. So these are the three central problems of an economy. That is, one is what to produce, how to produce, second one, and the third one is for whom to produce. What to produce, it is related to what? That is type of the product. How to produce, this problem is related to technique of production. And for whom to produce, it is related to the allocation of resources or distribution of resources. Thank you.